This is the Edgun pressure gauge unit, which I've removed from the rifle, and we are going to have a look at replacing this gauge. So it's got some flats on it. I'm not sure what size spanner or wrench you would need for that, but I will use an adjustable wrench. There we go. It's got a bit of dirt in it. There is an O-ring down in the bottom of that hole, which you may need to replace when you come to swap out your gauge. Basically, that's the gauge unit. That's a Huma gauge. So we'll see how we get on with that. Right, there we go, that's screwed in. It's a little bit deeper than the original, but it's 300 bars, so that should be good to go.